Alright, so here it is. It's all plugged in. It all seems to be in good order. And if I go to turn it on, I have to turn this on first. So I go to turn it on. It all starts up pretty normally. It shows that it posts. It takes a second. But then the fans slow down. They don't stop. They just keep going. Just waiting for it to go up to the loading screen. Alright. It says I have a CPU fan error. And then you might be able to hear the fans rev. Every time it does that and does the blinking right there, the computer freezes every single time. And you can watch what happen. Can't go right now because it's turned back up. Now I can use it. Fan stops. Freezes. If you can see, the temperature is not bad, so I don't know what the problem is.